Boston legal malpractice lawyer. When the attorney you trusted makes a serious mistake, your case, your money, and your fundamental legal rights can all suffer devastating consequences. Legal malpractice can arise in virtually any area of law, from personal injury and real estate matters to business disputes, estate planning, and family law cases. Massachusetts law may provide a meaningful path to recover your losses when an attorney's negligence causes a missed opportunity, a lost claim, or an unfavorable outcome that could have been avoided. To succeed on a legal malpractice claim in Massachusetts, a plaintiff must prove 4 elements by a preponderance of the evidence: duty, breach, causation, and damages. Duty arises from the attorney-client relationship, requiring the lawyer to meet the professional standard of care owed to the client throughout the entire representation. Breach occurs when the attorney fails to exercise the degree of skill and care that a reasonably competent professional would have used under the same circumstances. Causation requires showing that the attorney's error directly caused the client to lose a better result in the underlying matter, and damages must be actual and quantifiable. Not every unfavorable result amounts to malpractice, because attorneys exercise professional judgment on strategy, and a losing case does not automatically mean something went wrong. Common malpractice scenarios in Boston include missing a statute of limitations deadline, which can permanently destroy an otherwise strong underlying claim. Settlement errors, including failing to communicate an offer, advising acceptance of an unreasonably low settlement, or settling without authorization, can also form the basis of a valid malpractice claim. Undisclosed conflicts of interest and failure to conduct adequate investigation or legal research are additional forms of attorney negligence that can seriously harm a client's legal rights. Massachusetts provides a 3-year statute of limitations for legal malpractice claims under General Laws Chapter 260, Section 4, with the clock generally starting when the client knew or reasonably should have known about the harm. The discovery rule can delay when that 3-year period begins in cases where the malpractice was not immediately apparent, such as when a critical contract term was omitted and the harm only surfaced years later. Legal malpractice cases also carry a unique causation requirement known as the case within a case, where the plaintiff must prove the underlying matter would have produced a better result if the attorney had performed competently. At Colucci Marcus, P.C., the law firm's team works to hold negligent attorneys accountable and recover the compensation their clients lost across Boston and throughout Massachusetts. If you believe your attorney's mistake cost you a case, a settlement, or another valuable legal right, this law firm is ready to review your situation and help you understand your options. Call Colucci and Marcus, P.C. at 617-698, 6000, located at 424 Adams Street, #101, Milton, Massachusetts 02186, United States, to schedule your consultation and discuss whether you have a valid legal malpractice claim today.